Okay, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have discussed till the NOT gate. So basic gates is over. Now the universal gate. Universal gate, that is the
सर वेटिंग रूम में सर कोई है सर?
वेटिंग रूम में तो अभी कुछ नहीं है। दो लोग से हम ज्वाइन कर दिए हैं।
सर डायरेक्ट मतलब जूम ऐप से सर ज्वाइन नहीं हो रहा किसी किसी का, तो ऑनलाइन करने बोल रहे हैं, देखते हैं। तो सर वेट कर लीजिए।
हम वेट कर लेते हैं, ठीक है। Should I proceed now? Actually, 5-6 minutes is already over. Hello. Should I start?
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Okay, so we covered up to the basic gate, that is the AND or and NOT gate. Now the universal gate. Universal gate means the NAND gate and NOR gate. Okay, so first the NAND gate. So you already know why it is called the NAND gate. So sorry, why it is called the universal gate. Now first is the NAND gate. Five people is waiting room. Okay, so NAND gate. So NAND gate is the combination of AND gate and NOT gate. So NAND equals to AND plus NOT. So the symbol is, first one is the AND symbol. So and then NOT. Okay. So this is a symbol of two input NAND gate. X equals to A bar B bar. This is the expression for NAND gate. Okay. So now one thing, that how this expression is coming. You can ask a question. Okay. So here you can see the NAND gate is a combination of AND gate and NOT gate. So this is the actual symbol of, or the special symbol of NAND gate. So if we modify here, so suppose first one is the AND gate. So here if
नॉट गेट में चल गया भाग साला के
Muskan, unmute mute yourself. So यहाँ पर if it is AND gate, we are considering this first one is the AND gate. So what is the output of this AND gate? What we will get from this AND gate? What is the expression of AND gate? Hello? Hello? Are you getting my point? Anuj?
Yes, sir.
What is the output of this AND gate? Y equals to what? Multiplication, that is AB bar. Sorry, AB. Yes, AB. So after that, this AND gate is followed by the NOT gate. So again, this is a NOT gate. So if it is NOT gate, so here y dash equals to what? What is the output here? Just few minutes ago we saw the NOT gate. So here in this NOT gate the input is AB. So what is the output?
AB bar.
Yes, AB bar. So from this we are getting that the expression of NAND gate, it is equals to y bar equals y dash equals to AB bar. It is clear? NAND gate equals to AND plus NOT. First one step is for AND gate and the second one is for the NOT gate. In the output of the AND gate, we are getting that is here AB, and after that we use the NOT gate, and at the end we are getting the AB bar. So this is the expression of NAND gate. That's why I have direct here written, that is for the symbol here, it is output is AB bar. It is clear? It is clear or
Yes,
not?
sir. Yes,
Now
sir.
the truth table of NAND gate. So here you can see there is 2 input and 1 output. 2 input, that is A and B, and 1 output, that is Y or X, you can say, that is AB bar. So here the 4 combination, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now you can just you just do here the multiplication. So 0 0 means in multiplication what? 0. So 0 bar. So what is the complement of 0?
1.
1. Yes. So 0 1 0 1 multiplication, we will get 0. So 0's complement means again 1. This is again 1 into 0 means 0. So 0's complement is 1. This is 1 into 1. So we will get 1. So 1's complement is 0. This is the truth table of NAND gate. It is clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
So if the truth table is clear for all of you, here one thing, this NAND gate can use as an inverter. So how it is used as an inverter? By trying all its input terminals together and applying the signal to be inverted to the common terminal. Okay, so here like that, so here you can see this the 2 input, 2 input terminals are together, just merge and then applied, and at the end we are getting the inverted form of input. Okay, or one part, that is, or one step, there is another form. Here you can see that the connecting all its input terminal except one, okay, to logic 1, and applying here the signal to be inverted to the remaining terminal. So in this way, this is the first one is the NAND gate as an inverter, and the second one you can say the NAND gate as an controlled inverter. Okay, so in this way we can use the NAND gate as an inverter. Now one thing, that just look into this bubbled OR gate, this part, or you can say this part. Okay, so here 1 minute. So if we observe the truth table of 2 input NAND gate, here we can see the output that is Y is 1 when either A equals to 0 or B equals to 0. or when A and B both are equals to 0, or if either you can say the A bar 1 or B bar 1. So A equals to 0 or A bar equals to 1, both are same. So this NAND gate can perform the OR function. So this corresponding output can expressed as X or Y equals to A bar plus B bar. Okay, so here I have written that Y equals to AB bar. So AB bar equals to tell me. हेलो,
अभी जो आप बोले हैं
आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है अनुज।
जो बोले एक बार और रिपीट करिए
हाँ बोल रहे हैं।
क्योंकि आपका आवाज और रिपीट करिए सर, आवाज सही से।
अच्छा बोल रहे हैं। If we look into this truth table of NAND gate, here you can see that the X is 1 or this Y is 1 when either A or B is 0, or when the AB both are 0. When AB is 1 and 1, in that case, in the output we are getting only 0, but rest of the case when AB equals to 0 or A or B, either A or either B is 0, in that case we are getting 1. Okay, or you can see here, if A equals to 0, A equals to 0, so A bar equals to 1. If B equals to 0, in that case B bar equals to 1. So whatever I have said, so in that case you can see that here 0 0 0 1 1 0, in these three combination AB, in these three combination A, either A or either B is 0, that's why we are getting 1. So suppose if either A bar equals to 1 or B bar equals to 1, or both case, that is A bar and B bar equals to 1, so in that case also we are getting the same output. Okay, so from this we can conclude that the NAND gate can perform the OR function. If it is perform the OR function, so first we see the expression of NAND gate, that is Y equals to AB bar. Now we see that the NAND gate can perform the OR function. So here we can write from this expression, that is A bar plus B bar. This is also expression for NAND gate. You can write. Okay, so this NAND gate is equivalent to a bubbled OR gate. Okay, and this bubbled OR gate actually called the negative OR gate. So next one is, if it is clear, so next that is the NOR gate. We will discuss the NOR gate. It is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
सर
Okay.
लास्ट वाला में ये जो लिखे ना y इज इक्वल टू A बार प्लस B बार, ये इसको सर एक बार इसका ट्रूथ टेबल सर दिखा दीजिए ना, इसमें कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है।
A bar B bar ये वाला A bar plus
A बार
ए बार प्लस बी बार का
प्लस बी बार
इसका ट्रूथ टेबल चाहिए। हेलो
वाई
ओके just 1 minute। I think in the later part I will discuss the Boolean algebra. Okay, in that case we will discuss these things, Boolean algebra. Okay, so there is some you can say properties. With the help of these properties you can easily understand how it is coming. Okay, Anuj, I will discuss the in the next class these things, because we have a lot of topic at this moment for discussion. Next one is the NOR gate. And one thing for NAND gate, the IC number that is for 2-input NAND gate, that is 7400. For 3-input NAND gate, that is 7410, and 4-input NAND gate, that is 7420. You just remember these things. Now NOR gate. So NOR means OR plus NOT. So first, the expression of OR. Expression of OR, that is here this NOR gate has 2 input and the output is A plus B bar. Okay, this is A bar plus B bar. Now one thing, this NOR gate is a combination of OR gate plus NOT gate. So first one is the OR gate. So here sorry, this is first, this is OR gate. So expression of OR gate means the addition functionality. So addition means here we are getting, that is the A plus B. So the output of this OR gate is A plus B. Then this OR gate is followed by a NOT gate. So here it is A plus B bar. So the output of the NOR gate, that is here A plus B bar. So if we look the truth table, this is input, this is output, this is A, this is B, and this is Y. So Y equals to A plus B bar. You are getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Anuj, I
सर
think
शायद प्रॉब्लम अनुज के साइड के है।
हाँ हम वही बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है। So the output is A plus B bar. So the combination, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So first 0 plus 0 means 0. So if it is a plus b equals to 0, so a plus b bar, so it is 1. So this is 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 means a plus b. A plus b means here 1. So 1, the bar means it is 0. Again 1 plus 0, this is 1. So 1 means 0. Again 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 means 1. But bar has, here we have a bar, so it is again 0. So this is the truth table of NOR gate. Okay. Now this NOR gate can as an inverter. How it is act as an inverter here? Same thing. We just input terminal merged and together here the output near bubble. So if we are putting X, so now we are getting the X bar here. And one thing, okay. So in this way, the first one is the NOR gate as an inverter, and the second one is the NOR gate as an controlled inverter. Okay. So in this way, you can use the NOR gate as an inverter. Now one thing that bubble NOR gate. So bubble NOR gate here, the bubble NOR gate is equivalent to an AND gate. So how it is equivalent to AND gate? Here, okay, just one thing I forgot to mention. For the bubble, first one, the bubble NAND gate. So first one, bubble NAND gate. Here, this is bubble NAND. Okay, so bubble NAND. Just one thing. So here, actually bubble NAND gate means it's equivalent to OR gate. How it is equivalent to OR gate? Here A and here B, and here you can see this is A, and here at the end we are getting A bar, B bar, whole bar. So it is A plus B. Okay, and bubbled NOR gate so it is A, this is B. So in that case, this bubble NOR gate is equivalent to AND gate. So here A bar plus B bar whole bar. So here we are getting AB. You just remember these two terms, that bubble NAND gate is equivalent to OR gate and bubble NOR gate is equivalent to AND gate. Okay. So we have covered till now, that is the basic gate and universal gate. And we have another two gates, that is the special gate, that is the excess OR gate and excess NOR gate. So before going to start the excess OR and excess NOR, all of the participants are requested to put your name in the chat box for your attendance. Write your name in the chat box. Without your name, I cannot give you the attendance. There is 18 students, but I am getting the 15. Okay, one thing that for NOR gate, the IC number that is for 2 input NOR gate, this is 7402. For 3 input NOR gate, this is 7427, and for 4 input NOR gate, this is 7425. Okay, so next is XOR and XNOR. So first one is XOR. XOR or exclusive OR. I'm short here, I'm writing XOR. So what is the symbol? For the exclusive OR, the symbol is that okay. So just same thing. This is the OR gate, and before the OR gate, there is a this is okay. So this is A and this is B. So the output of this XOR, that is A XOR B. Okay. And here one thing, that is the combination. So truth table for XOR, this is input, this is output, this is A, this is B, and X equal to A XOR B. Okay. So the combination of 4, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, just 1 minute. This is written here A XOR B. So this is simplified form, that is A B bar plus A bar B. So here you can write also A B bar plus A bar B. So this is 0 and B bar. So this is 1. The first one A B bar is 1 plus A bar B. A bar B means 1 plus 0. So here we are getting, that is 0. Next one, from this 0 1 we are getting 1. This is 1 and 0. So here we are getting 1, and this is 1 1, we are getting 0. So this is the truth table of XOR. And for the case of XNOR, the symbol is sorry. The symbol is XNOR is here 2 input and x equal to x nor b, and the expression is a